say something. When I went to visit my grandfather, I saw a man and saw something I had never in my life seen in my grandfather. I talked to him and I said to him, I said, Grandpapa, I said, do you believe in God? He said, yes, I do. So I told him, I said, you know what? I said, you're going to be okay. And he told me, he said, I want you to sing this song. I want you to sing that song for me. Well, the whole time I've been visiting him, I sung several songs to him. So I started singing. He said, not that one. Not that one. And so I kept on singing, and finally I got to the one song, and he started singing with me. I couldn't really understand what he was singing, but he was humming with me. So I'm going to sing this song. I'm going to try to sing it. I've had some good days. I've had some hills to climb. I've had some weary days. I had some sleepless nights. But when I look around, and I've been lied on, but thank you, Lord. I've been talked about, but thank you, Lord. I've been misunderstood, but thank you, Lord. You may be sick, body been wrecking with pain, but thank you, Lord. The bills are due, don't know where the money coming from, but thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I won't complain. God, he's been so good to me, and he's been good to me more than this whole